Imagine you're sitting alone in a parking lot. You open your banking app. For the first time in your life, you see a number with 5 zeros, $100,000. 6 years of brown bag lunches, no new car, roommates instead of luxury, delayed vacations. You thought you'd feel like a champion, but instead, you feel frozen. Why? Because suddenly everyone has advice, and a quiet voice inside your head whispers, "You've earned it. Take a break. Upgrade your life." That voice is dangerous. Legendary investor Charlie Munger once said, "The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it." And he was right. Because the first $100,000 isn't about wealth. It's about momentum. At $100,000, the math changes. Before this point, you were doing all the work. Now your money finally gets a job. Invested at 8% annually. That's $8,000 per year. About $667 per month. Money appearing in your account. Without clocking in. Without overtime. Without sacrifice. This is the shift. This is where compounding finally has fuel. The timeline changes. First, $100,000, approximately 6.4 years. Second, $100,000, approximately 4.2 years. So, fifth $100,000, approximately 2 years. Without saving an extra dollar. It's like pushing a boulder uphill for years, and finally reaching the peak. Now it rolls on its own. But most people lose momentum here. They fall into one of 3 traps.